Hi kids, welcome to my channel Simplified Learning with Dimple Malik. We are studying class 7 chapter 1 integers, and the topic that we're going to cover is division of integers. So this series is this video is in continuation to the previous videos that we have already put for class 7 chapter 1. So the first rule for this division of integers is, so let's check out the rules. First rule is, if dividend and divisor both are positives or negatives, that is, if both the numbers are like signs, then the question is going to be positive, and if there is unlike sign, that is either positive or negative, which is rule number 2, then the question is going to be negative. Let's look at the rules. If dividend and divisor both are positive or negatives, like signs, the question is going to be positive. If either dividend or divisor is positive or negative, unlike signs, the question is going to be negative. Let's do some questions for understanding. So, we have minus 20 divided by 4. Very simple. I have unlike sign and my one sign is negative and the other is positive. So, 20 divided by 4 is 5. But since I have unlike sign, my answer is going to be minus 5. Here, if I see 7049 divided by 7049, the answer is going to be 1. But again, both the signs are different. One is positive, one is negative. So the answer is minus 1. Let's look at one more example. 56. Minus 56 divided by minus 1. Now here, both my signs are negative. So I'm simply going to divide 56 divided by 1. Answer comes to be 56. So the answer is positive. Let's do some questions that can come in your exams. Okay, so this question involves addition, subtraction, all the various operations that we have been doing on integers. If you have a doubt, you can check my previous videos. I'll put a link in the description box and also on the top right corner of my video that you can just see flashing. Okay, so here we have minus 30 minus 18. So now I'm going to simply solve minus and minus. I know that whenever there is a sign like this, I simply change the sign. This becomes plus 18. So minus 30 plus 18 gives me answer as 12 and sign as negative. Okay. Now let's look here. There is a division sign in between. 19 plus minus 3, so 19 minus 13, 19 minus 13 gives me an answer 6, positive 6, because 13 is a smaller number, and I'm going to put the sign of the bigger number, 6. So minus 12 divided by 6 gives me an answer, since unlike signs, so 12 divided by 6 is 2, and the sign is going to be negative. That is what is my answer. So you do not get questions like these, direct questions, but you get questions like these to complication, with a little bit of complication and more than 2 to 3 operations involved in one question. Okay, so let's look at one more question. So now I have a question which says minus 155 minus 100 gives me an answer, has to be divided with minus 300 plus 45. So now when I have minus 155 and minus 100, I see both the signs are negative. So I'm simply going to add them. I get answer as minus 255. For any doubts of addition and subtraction, you have to check the previous videos. So I'm not explaining it here, keeping the video small. Minus 300 plus 45 again gives me minus 255. Now I have like signs here. When I have like signs, my answer remains positive, and the answer is going to be 1, because 255 divided by 255 gives me a number 1. Okay kids, this is it for this video. If you like my content, don't forget to like my videos, drop a comment in the comment box, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right away. Till then, bye bye.